Very good morning, children. I hope the last class you understood very well and you have went through the textbook. Further, if you have any doubts, we will clarify in the next class. And in the continuation of the previous class. In the previous class, we have discussed the different types of tastes of the different types of foods and how they change the color. How they change the color, according to that, we can able to identify the food materials are either acidic condition or bases. Today, we are going to understand in detail about the acidic reaction and basis reaction by preparing a natural indicator. Right? At home, very easily with available material, you can prepare natural indicator. For that, the materials which are required, I will show you. First, we need turmeric powder, right? See, in my hand, turmeric powder is there. I made it into a paste by adding water, right? After that, you have to take one white paper, okay? One white paper, and you have to use other materials such as soap. A small piece of the soap, yes, I have taken here, and I have a brush also, right? Okay, so first, now we are going to prepare a natural indicator, right? We will take first this white paper, and with the help of the brush we will apply complete this white paper with the turmeric paste. We will apply turmeric paste with the help of the brush on the one side of the paper, completely entire surface of this white paper. After applying the turmeric paste, how it will looks, I will show you. See, once you apply the turmeric powder, entire the surface of the paper, you keep it under the sunlight or fan, let it dry for 5 minutes. Okay, let it dry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now your natural indicator is ready. Yes, your natural indicator is ready. Now you have to take a small piece of the soap. Yes, in your bathroom it will be available, or in kitchen room, or you may use the soap solution also, right? So by applying soap, you will get some changes. You have to clearly observe. Apart from the soap, you also can use lemon. In your house, lemon will be there. Cut into 2 pieces and take 1 piece, and with the lemon also we can test what is the action of the lemon when we use on this natural indicator, and what is the action of soap when we use on this natural indicator. Now I will show you first the use of the soap, right? When I apply soap on this natural indicator, how it will change is that you can observe. Now I am drawing a flower shape, right? Okay. Now after a few seconds, you will get completely color change like this. Okay. So the base readily react with the natural indicator where we use the turmeric paste, and it changes into reddish color. right? So by this we can say that the soap contain basic material or alkaline material. So the next lemon we can use and we can apply on the other side of these natural indicator, right? So it will does not show any color change, but it will show the faded erosion like on the surface of the indicator. So the turmeric paste natural indicator will be react with the base and it will show the color change, and acid does not react with this natural indicator where we use the turmeric powder. Okay, now I will repeat how you have to follow to prepare this natural indicator and how you observe it and how you test it, right? Listen carefully to me. First you have to take a white paper, okay, a white paper, and keep it at a side, and take a small amount of turmeric powder in a bowl, add some water, stir it, make see that the turmeric powder made into paste. Now the white paper, place it on a table. With the help of the paint brush, you dip the brush into the turmeric paste and apply it on the white paper and completely spread it, and then let it keep under the fan or sunlight. Let it dry for 5 minutes. After once you get it dried, you take the small piece of the soap and soak it into the water for 2 minutes. After that you take the soap and draw some flower shape or any letter on this natural indicator. If you observe any color change, then the material will show the alkaline reaction. So we can conclude that it is a base. If you apply the same lemon on the same indicator, natural indicator, it does not, if it does not show any color change, yes, then we can say it is a acidic condition, right? So finally we can say that different natural indicators show different color change, right? Different natural indicators show different color changes, right?